And here it is, guys. GoPro Hero 9 Black is finally here. I'm so excited, you can't even imagine. Without further ado, let's take a look at what's inside. So this is what we have inside of the box, and this is a USB-C cable, rechargeable battery, one buckle mount, curved adhesive mount, one thumb screw, and the camera itself. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please stay tuned for more, as I'm going to upload more content about GoPro Hero 9 Black, comparisons, reviews, etc. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, as you're gonna help me tremendously. Alright guys, see you in the next one.